Here's something most people never hear. The harder you try to stay calm, the more anxious you become. That tension you feel, it's not a lack of discipline. It's not weakness. It's the pressure of forcing yourself into a state your mind isn't ready to enter. The Stoics understood this centuries ago. And today, we're going to clear up one of the biggest misunderstandings about calm, stress, and discipline. If you're learning how to build calm discipline without forcing it, stay with me. Why stay calm backfires. Modern advice tells you to. Relax. Calm down. Let it go. But notice what happens when someone says that while you're overwhelmed. Your body tightens. Your thoughts speed up. You feel like you're failing at calm itself. That's because calm is not a switch. It's a byproduct. The Stoics never told themselves to feel calm. They focused on thinking clearly and acting correctly. Calm followed naturally. Stoic calm is not an emotion. This is the misunderstanding that creates anxiety. People think calm is a feeling you must achieve. Stoics knew calm was a state of alignment. Marcus Aurelius didn't wait to feel peaceful before leading an empire through war, plague, and betrayal. He acted according to principle first. Calm emerged after discipline. If you chase the feeling, you create pressure. If you focus on judgment and action, calm appears on its own. Why forcing calm creates inner conflict. When you tell yourself, "I should be calm right now," you imply, "There's something wrong with me." That internal conflict is the source of anxiety. Epictetus warned that distress comes not from events, but from the judgments we attach to them. Trying to feel calm while judging yourself for not being calm creates a loop your nervous system can't escape. The Stoic solution isn't emotional suppression. It's removing false expectations. Here's where most people get Stoicism wrong. They think Stoics were emotionally numb. They weren't. They simply refused to argue with reality. And once you stop fighting what you feel, calm stops being something you chase and becomes something you allow. What Stoics did instead of calming down. Stoics practiced three things instead. Accuracy. They asked, what is actually happening? Not what they feared, imagined, or exaggerated. Control. They separated what required action from what required acceptance. Character. They focused on responding in a way they could respect later. Notice none of these require you to feel calm first. They require clarity. Calm follows clarity. A Stoic reset you can use today. If you're anxious right now, don't try to calm yourself. Try this instead. Ask, what part of this actually requires my action right now? Then act only on that. Everything else is noise. This single shift removes pressure from your mind and returns control to where it belongs. Why discipline creates calm, not the other way around. Discipline doesn't restrict you. It simplifies you. When your standards are clear, decisions become easier. Reactions become slower. Stress loses its grip. Stoic discipline removes inner negotiation. And when there's no inner argument, calm settles naturally. Not forced. Not faked. Earned. If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this. You don't need to try harder to feel calm. You need to stop demanding calm from yourself. Focus on clarity. Focus on character. Focus on what is yours to control. Calm will meet you there. If this gave you relief or clarity, watch the other long-form videos on the channel. We go deeper into Stoic discipline, emotional control, and quiet strength.